Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, February the 28th, 2022. We have here six extra puzzles in this additional. Two of them I have solved the three-star Sudoku in the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Yeah, the tectonic. Tectonic number. Let me position the camera. 4191. Yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 10 printed digits. Could be a hard one. 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Following question, dual boxes. Can we see here the dual box? I see here the dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. I see here triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other digits could be in everywhere. But when you see a triple box, the inside box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or 5. Remember that. Okay, 1 triple box, quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So those 2 boxes are the numbers 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. Okay, more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes or structures or figures. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Then, more L shapes? No. Following shape, the T shape. Alright, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this shape, this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Following shape, how about this shape? Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box 4 or a 5 has the same number as that box. So 4 or a 5. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. We have more, but not in this puzzle. There are maximum 6 shapes or figures or structures that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle we have only 3. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, Then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay, that means that this box cannot be 2 or can it be a 4. We have a double for 2, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2. So 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So this box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 over there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 over here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4, it goes there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with the 4 or a 5. So it can't be 5 anymore. It should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes here, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We'll need to wait. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Okay. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. That means those 2 boxes can also not be 1 or a 4. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, this box cannot be a 1, because if this box is a 1, then that box should be also a 1. It's connected with each other, but it cannot be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So here cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 1. 2 and the 1. So 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. We have a 2 and a 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 5, okay. Yeah, it must be triggered here by the 1 or a 2, this box. Yeah, same story for this box. It can also not be a 1, because we already have a 1. So this cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1. So it cannot be triggered by the 1. So it should be a 2. this should be triggered by the 2. Yeah. So this box should be a 2, I think. Yeah. Let me think. Well, this box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 there. Or here 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've told you. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Should be triggered here by the 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 1. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 5. Finish in 60 minutes. 4 stars, no. 2 star, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, although it has 10 printed digits. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this, 2 thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.